John with WTI. And fewer things are more important for me than keeping my car smelling nice and clean every time that I'm going inside or I'm receiving somebody. Because having a car is like you, or inviting someone to your car is like having someone invited to your house. So this is where this Glade Lavender and Vanilla air freshener comes into place. And something that I like from here is I don't have to spray it. I don't have to be checking on if it's in the right place. I just put this in the air conditioner vent, and it's going to be sitting in there, just taking out the best smell you could take. And something that I liked a lot about this is how calming is the fragrance from this air freshener. It's soothing, it's nice, it's comfortable. You feel like if you're about to go to sleep due to the lavender because it relaxes you. And it's compliment getter. People are just gonna see it. It's really nice, it's convenient. You just put it in your air vent and it just works awesome. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.